Welcome to our comparison of two popular processors. The Intel Core i5-12600KF and the AMD Ryzen 5-5500. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and user feedback to help you decide which one is the best fit for your computing needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the AMD Ryzen 5500 is significantly more affordable at $159, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the Intel Core i5-12600KF is priced at $311, which may be justified by its higher performance capabilities. If you're looking for value, the Ryzen 5500 offers an excellent price-to-performance ratio, while the i5-12600KF targets those who need top-tier performance for demanding applications. In terms of core count, the Intel Core i5-12600KF boasts 10 cores, which includes 6 performance cores and 4 efficient cores, allowing it to handle more tasks simultaneously and perform better in heavily threaded workloads. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 5500 features 6 cores, which is sufficient for most gaming and everyday tasks, but may fall short in scenarios requiring extensive multitasking. Therefore, if you prioritize core count and multitasking capabilities, the i5-12600KF has the upper hand. Performance-wise, the Intel Core i5-12600KF generally outperforms the AMD Ryzen 5500, especially in gaming and demanding applications due to its higher boost clock speed of up to 4.9 GHz compared to the Ryzen's 4.2 GHz. However, the Ryzen 5500 still provides solid performance for its price, making it a great choice for budget gaming builds. Ultimately, your choice may depend on whether you need the extra performance of the i5-12600KF or if the Ryzen 5500 meets your needs at a lower price point. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i5-12600KF and the AMD Ryzen 5500 have their strengths and weaknesses. The i5-12600KF is ideal for those seeking high performance and multitasking capabilities, while the Ryzen 5500 offers excellent value for budget builds. Consider your specific needs and budget when making your decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.